Example 4 on prime factors, we are asked to express 252 as a product of its prime factors using long division table. So using long division table, I'm going to draw the table and divide 252 repeatedly by 2 and other prime numbers. 2 into 2 is 1, 2 into 5 is 2 times remainder 1, 2 into 12 is 6. 126 is not a prime number, so I'll divide by 2 again. 2 into 12 is 6. 2 into 6 is 3. 63 is not a prime number, so I'm going to divide by 3 because it is not divisible by 2 again. So dividing this by 3, you have 31. But 31 is a prime number, so this is divided by 31 and it gives you 1. So that 252 can be expressed as 2 times 2 times 3 times 31, which in index form is written as 2 raised to the power of 2 times 3 times 31. So this is how you express 252 as a product of its prime factors in index form. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. While I recommend that you use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. And you also advise to share the links with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from my daily classes. We shall now take example 4 on prime factors.